a giant cake. Wiggle, wiggle, it starts to shake. Is it dancing? Is it alive? Cake said hello, what a surprise! Baby shark jumps back in shock. Cake starts spinning, tick tock tock. Shake, shake, funny cake. Wobble, wobble, silly cake. Is it real or is it fake? Talking, dancing, birthday cake. Daddy shark says cut it fast. Cake runs away super fast. Grandma laughs, grandpa slips. Frosting lands on everyone's lips. Fish are sliding on the cream. This is wild, it's like a dream. Run, run, catch that cake. Don't let it escape the plate. Jump and splash and twist and shake. Catch that naughty birthday cake. Baby shark tries one more time. Come here, cake, you will be mine. He jumps up high, splash. Oh no! Falls straight into frosting snow. Now he's covered head to toe. Looks like cake. Hello, hello. Messy mess, what a sight. Baby shark is creamy white. Laugh, laugh, clap your fins. Hooray, fun, everybody wins. Cake stops running, soft and sweet. Okay, friends, now you can eat. Everyone takes a yummy bite. Best cake ever, pure delight. Candles glowing, wishes made. Happy smiles never fade. Clap, 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 hooray, hooray. Best birthday ever today. Sing along and celebrate. Fun with baby shark and cake. Pop the balloons, dance around. Happy laughter fills the sound. Baby shark waves goodbye. See you next time, don't be shy. Boom, 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 the ground will shake. A giant dino is wide awake. Stomp, 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 I hear a sound. Someone needs help on the ground. In the jungle far away go. Baby animals lost their way. Little bunny cries, oh no, I don't know where to go. The trees are dark, the path is gone. No one here to help me on. Suddenly, boom, the earth goes shake. Big Dino wakes with every break. He stomps so strong but gentle too. Don't be scared, I'll help you. Boom, boom, stomp, I am here. Dino help is very near. Dino looks left, Dino looks right. Through the jungle, dark and bright, he finds the bunny behind a tree. Don't worry now, come with me. Bunny smiles, feels so glad. No more fear, I was so sad. Then Dino hears another cry. Baby monkey stuck up high. Dino stomps, tree goes shake. Carefully saves him for his sake. Stomp, stomp, help, strong and kind. Dino rescue every time. All animals gather around. Happy jungle, joyful sound. Dino smiles, proud and true. I will always help you too. Bum, 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 I will always help you too. Boom, boom, stomp, Dino stomp, helping friends all day long. Happy jungle, clap with me. Dino hero 1, 2, 3. Foot choo-choo, wait, what's that sound? Train is spinning all around. Left or right, no one knows. Oops, the train forgot to go. Train was happy, full of cheer. Next stop is, I was just here. Driver checks the map again. Oh no, I forgot it then. Choo-choo, where to go? Fast or slow, nobody knows. Tracks are long, signals bright, but train is confused tonight. Oh no. Train goes left, oops, not there. Train goes right, I swear I care. It with big loud sound, but train goes spinning round and round. Help, help, guide the train through sunshine and through rain. Lost but laughing, what a scene! Funniest ride you've ever seen. Train now thinks I'm on vacation, stops at beach and starts a celebration. Passengers shout, we need to go. Train says, wait, I don't know. Choo choo, silly brain. Train forgot its own lane. Beep beep, laugh and cheer. This confusion brings us near. Little bird flies in the sky, shows the train the right way. Hi, follow me, don't be late. Train says, oh, that is great. Choo choo, back on track. No more turning left or back. All aboard, now we go to the station nice and slow. Choo choo, now we know. Train remembers where to go. Clap your hands and sing along. Lost train turned into a song.
Oh no!
Is it an animal that's moving? I can't tell. We should.
Pop, pop, wait, what's that? Something big is floating back. Pop, pop, look above. Baby shark is stuck, oh no, oh no. Baby shark was playing free, blowing bubbles in the sea. One grew bigger, bigger, wow. Uh-oh, I'm inside it now. Floating slowly to the sky. Mommy, help, I'm flying high. Up, up, don't you stop. Floating in a bubble pop. No, no, don't let go. Baby shark is stuck, oh no. Mommy shark looks up in fear. Don't you worry, I am here. Daddy shark swims super fast. Catch that bubble, make it last. Grandma laughs, he's like a balloon. Grandpa says we'll get him soon. Catch, catch, hurry up. Save him from that bubble cup. Swim and jump and reach the top. Don't let baby shark go pop. Daddy jumps but slips away. Sharp shell can make it pop. Crab comes in with pinch so tight. Let's say baby do it right. They jump together, 1, 2, 3. Pop, splash into the sea. Pop, 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 down you go. Splashing in the waves below. Safe and sound, shout hooray. Baby shark is saved today. Baby shark laughs, that was fun. Let's not do that again. Okay, one more run. Everyone shouts, no, no, no. They all laugh and swim around. Happy bubbles all around. Pop, pop, small ones only. No more giant bubbles, homie. Clap your fins and it's the way. Bubble fun saves the day. Pop, 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 pop. Fun like this will never stop. Sing along and you will see happy sharks in the sea. Hiding was fun, ha 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 ha. 5 baby sharks hiding one day. Do do do, do do do. Where are you? Come out and see. Come out, do 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 do. 5 baby sharks hiding one day. Do 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 do. One hid behind the big red coil. Mommy shark looked. Oh, where are you, my little coral? Out came the first baby shark with a cheeky smile.
Oh no!
4 baby sharks hiding one day. 4 baby sharks hiding one day. Do 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 do. One hid in the green seaweed sway. Mommy called, come out and play. mommy peeked in. What the heck? Out popped the third baby shark. Surprise attack. Two baby sharks hiding one day. Do-do-do-do-do-do. One hid under a big shiny rock. Mommy found him. Tick-tock, tick-tock. Out came the fourth baby shark, laughing non-stop. One baby shark hiding one day. Do-do-do-do-do-do. He hid so well, Mommy couldn't see. She got worried, where could my baby be? Then suddenly, out came the last baby shark with a big grin. Big happy end, all five baby sharks together at last. Hugging Mommy super fast, they swam and played the whole day through. Best hiding game, thanks to you. Wow! Five baby sharks hiding was fun.